So today I'm going to show you a product you didn't know you always wanted. And we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. I know most of you know what this is. You've seen it at hardware stores. But now, thanks to stupid simple tools, you can identify nuts and bolts in your garage. It even includes a ruler so you can figure out the length of your bolts. So you no longer have to go into the store with a bolt in your pocket. You can literally just figure out where it goes, verify the size, you can even take a picture, and you're all set. There are lots of ways you can mount this thing. It comes with some mounting holes, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. I chose to double-sided tape it to my shelf here. You could also use magnets, like stick magnets to the back of it. Stick that to a magnetic surface. It's kind of unlimited how you want to mount it. You might not want to put it too tight against what you mount it to, so when you screw the bolts in, they can go all the way through. But that is just a slick product there. So if you're looking for a useful gift for the handy person that seemingly has everything, they probably don't have this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.